Inferno is 20 years old this year. How do we celebrate? We ride it 20 times. Let's go. Oh, Hev's over in Thorpe Park. We're back. And Inferno 20 years this year. So let's celebrate it.
Why not?
And let's ride it 20 times. The Inferno 20 times challenge.
Yes.
Let's go. Woo -woo. Looks like we're waiting for riders, Hev. So we're here for opening. So we get on it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait. Do you reckon we can do it?
Yeah, well, we've got this with a little bit of help.
Yes, so we have a little bit of help here today. We stopped in the shark cabins last night.
Yeah.
Yeah, and the park was closed yesterday, so it means we've got unlimited fast tracks today.
Yeah,
So
if you want to find more out, check out our shark cabin video.
Yeah, check that one out. But hopefully we can do it.
Yeah.
We're down here with Lee today. Thank you for inviting us down, Lee. And we're going to smash this challenge out, aren't we?
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, what are we doing? We need to go number 1. Let's go. Ride 1, Hev. Let's go. Right, let's do this challenge.
Yes, come on.
19 more to go after this one.
Yeah.
Let's go. Row 4. Just there. We ready?
Ride one.
Ride 1, let's go. Ride 1 complete.
Yeah.
Yeah. Right, we need to do 19 more.
Yeah.
Yeah, so we've had a bit of a slow start. Nemesis Inferno didn't open for a little bit, did it? So we warmed up on Saw and a few of the flat rides.
Yeah.
And Colossus.
Colossus.
Yeah, that was pretty good, wasn't it?
Quite rough.
Yeah, but we did our first one now. Exploring round, just there. 19 more, let's go, number 2.
They're weird.
You feeling the plants up? Yeah. The velvety.
Yeah, it's like soft. It's strange.
It's what you get in the junk near volcanoes, apparently. Volcanic plants. So we're in the fast track queue.
Yeah.
As we explained, these are going to come in handy today. So hopefully it works out for us. Fingers crossed. Let's go. Enjoy that, Ev.
Yeah, number 2 done.
Number 2 done. Right, let's get back round.
Yeah.
18 to go.
Woo.
Inferno. Ride 3.
Finally.
Will people stop being sick on the ride,
No.
please? We want to get this done. Ride 3 done. Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, let's get back round to number 4. We need to get this done.
Tight schedule.
Run, 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 go, quick, go. Ride 4 now. Yeah, we've done 3. Yeah, the rain's coming down, isn't it?
Yeah, but that hopefully will do us a favour.
Hopefully will, won't it? Clear out some of the queue. So they dropped to 30 minutes instead of 45.
Yep.
Well, we've got these anyway, haven't we? Although it's taken a while, isn't it? We need to speed things up. Supersonic speed. What have you got there? Little bear. Thank you, Lee. Little chocolate bear. It's taste test. No? All bears are good.
Yeah.
So it's raining. It's not working. It's broken down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's not going very well so far. Possible challenge.
It is the impossible challenge, isn't it? Right, so we're just going to have a quick break.
Yeah.
And hopefully by the time we're done, it's back. And we need about 74 rides per hour.
Yeah, we need some luck.
We can do it.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's open again. Yay. So we're back in the queue.
Yeah.
Just here for the things.
Second attempt for ride 4.
Right, let's go. Finally ride 4. It's taken like 2 hours to there.
Yeah, it's nearly 2 o'clock.
So it didn't open till 12:30, did it?
No.
No, that didn't help, did it? We're trying our best, guys. The rain's out there. We're in here. Let's get on. You're a bit wet, though.
Just a little bit.
A little bit wet. Oh dear. Oh. Ride 5 now, though. 4 done. Can we do it? Let us know in the comments below. Ride 5. Oh no.
That's fine.
Feel the heat. So we've done 5.
Yeah, number 6.
Quarter of the way through. We're through to 2007.
Yeah.
Yeah, what happened in 2007, Ev?
I don't know.
No, nor me. Let us know in the comments, guys. I'm sure there was a coaster built, wasn't there? Somewhere.
Probably.
Somewhere in the world.
Yeah.
Yeah, let us know what was built in 2007. Ride 6, Ev.
Yeah, 6 star.
Are you going to show us our secret new path?
Oh, that's our secret.
Well, this is how we're getting around a little bit quicker, isn't it?
Yeah.
Right, so go, 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 go! See you, cute. Ah, secret path. That's helped a little bit, hasn't it?
Thanks, Lee.
So hopefully, 40 more to go.
Yeah.
Can we do it? The pressure is on.
It is.
Oh guys, 7 done. We're a little bit rough and ready, a little bit wet. 13 more to go. Can we do it? Our lucky number. Right, 8 up. Yay! 8. There isn't an 8, so we'll have to do 6 and 2 down there. 8. Right, 7 plus 1 equals 8. We're on the back row for the first time.
Yay!
And we're riding together here with Lee. Are we? We're all riding together. I'm me as well. But yeah, it's been a while, hasn't it? I think since the first ride, we haven't rode together, have we?
1.
First one. The first one, yeah, that's what I mean, yeah. We've had to separate to try and get this done, haven't we? Luck has not been on our side, but we'll persevere.
Yeah.
Because we're the perseverers. Your power walking up.
Yeah.
Yeah. 8 done though. Yeah, one more. 1 more plus another 11 more.
Yay.
And then we're nearly there.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. 9 done, have. Nearly half.
Halfway.
Yeah, we're getting there.
Yeah.
Do you reckon we can do it?
Yeah.
But just under 2 hours.
Yeah.
It's going to be a close one. It really is, isn't it?
It is.
Right, 10 up. Ooh, getting closer. Halfway. Whoop, whoop. Ride 10 complete.
Yay.
You can tell. Whoop, whoop. Ride 11.
Ride 11, yeah.
So we're over halfway.
Yeah.
Well, we will be in a minute. So, do you reckon we can do it?
As long as they stop letting the main queue go in front of us, even though we're fast track.
Yeah, that doesn't help, does it?
If people stop being stuck on the rides, then maybe, yeah.
Yeah, but we'll give it a go.
Yeah.
Yeah, 10 more to go. Whoop, whoop. Ooh, we're into the single figures. 9 more to go.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's what I meant. 9 more to go.
Yeah.
Single figures.
Yeah.
Whoop, whoop. Ride 12.
12.
Oh, it's getting tiring, isn't it?
Yeah.
The pressure is on.
The pressure is on.
We've only got like an hour and 20 minutes left until
know.
park close.
Yeah.
I suppose we can. No breakdowns. We don't want any of them, do we?
No.
So
Not any of them.
no, no more sickness.
No. If you
No.
need a wee, hold it.
I do need a wee.
So do I.
Ride 12. 13. Unlucky for some.
I'm looking for some.
Not so much for us.
No.
Usually.
Hey.
Mind you though. We'll find out, won't we?
Yeah.
Can we do it, guys? The pressure is on. How long have we got left?
5 minutes left.
An hour and 5 minutes. We did miss 2.5 hours due to downtime. 20
Yeah.
minutes off now worth of breakdowns and sickness.
Yeah. So,
So-
Thorpe should open till 6 now.
Yes, this should do us a favour, shouldn't they? Save until 6 though. Together again. Hopefully obviously please behind us. Ride 13.
Ride 13, yeah.
Let's go. Ride 13 complete.
Yay.
Whoop, whoop. Ride 15. Whoop, whoop. Just coming in. 16.
16.
Let's go. 18.
Yeah, number 18. We've got to stay on the last one.
Right, gotta go quick. Ride 19 up.
Yeah.
Ride 20. We did it, and we're on. We did it. 20 rides. We did it. We're champions. Believe it or not. How many rides did we have? Like, that we stayed on? 4 at the end.
4, yeah.
Brilliant bit of luck there, wasn't
Yeah,
it?
thanks, Thorpe Park.
Thanks, Thorpe Park. Thanks for the ride ups there. Absolutely amazing. Had a lovely chat just as we come off as well, didn't we?
Yeah.
guys, we did it. 20 rides of Inferno completed.
Yay!
Our challenge complete. We've done a challenge. We did it finally. Woo woo! Winner bears over here. We can't believe we did it. It got so close. It got so tight. The time was running out one time.
Yeah, it was, and everything that could go wrong
Pretty
went
much
wrong.
did. Yeah, but fair play to the staff letting us stay on there. There was no queue, so absolutely fantastic. Alton Towers, take notes. Do you reckon you could do 20 Inferno rides? Who knows? Might be a bigger one next year.